Hello friends, in the last tutorial we have seen that how CGI work. How can CGI works? We will see a simple diagram of CGI. But in this tutorial we discuss about the information of Common Gateway Interface, that is CGI. When you are dealing with web pages, you will often hear about people talk about CGI or CGI script without ever explaining exactly what that is. CGI is the connection between forms on a web pages and web servers. This interaction is done through a scripts and program that use Common Gateway Interface to create interactive programs on your web pages. Something to remember about CGI. CGI is not a program itself. You must have CGI access to run programs on your web pages. Any program or any script that will run on your web server can be used as a CGI program. Most people use Perl to write their CGI scripts. We can do this, but other languages include C and C++, TCL, and Unix shell scripts. Now we come on the next topic, that is the use of CGI script. What is the use of writing a CGI script in any language? First is CGI are used to create web documents that depends on user interaction. There are scripts to take readers to random pages on the site. And third one, it is used to create pages specific to them based on from input and generate pages based on database of information. CGI scripts are used to resolve from data, put the data into databases, that is, send the data out as an email message, respond to the form entry, which email or another web pages, and much more. CGI scripts also are used for behind the scenes interaction with web readers who are read a web browser. It can also use for CGI. They can set and read the cookies, get and tabulate information such as browser and operating system, that is OS, and calculate heat counts and monitor web traffic. Monitor web traffic means a processors. Now we come on the topic of using forms and CGI. The most common use of CGI on a website is to automate forms. When you write a form, it will not work unless there is a program running on the back and end to make it work. A CGI script that is back-end for a form must be able to decode from the data and then do something with it. It decoded in the background. For this article, I will show you how to write a simple HTML form and how to create a CGI that pairs the form data and then sends the data via email to you. Thank you.